we're not as tough as.
Thank you so much po, Unified Team Damayan po, sa pagpunta sa bahay. At saka salamat po sa lahat po, Mama Richu. Thank you so much sa Papisir, Singapore. I love Singapore. Thank you so much po, Mama Richu. And sa lahat po kay Celine, Love Laika and Amy. And shout out po sa inyo lahat. Thank you. And ito na po ang pinaka-highlights ni Love Laika. Ayun po. Thank you so much for coming and see you again next year. Ayan po, okay, on August 24 po, see you in Cavite po. Thank you so much po, Unified Team Damayan. God bless po sa lahat.
Everybody on the station, I look around, feel like everybody is the fakest. I make it every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Step in, the top is so vacant, I don't hear shit.